If you're trying to clean up your digital presence, switch email providers, or simply remove an old inbox you don't use anymore, then stay tuned. Today, I'll show you the complete guide on how to delete your Gmail account, step by step, without confusion. And yes, I'll also explain the difference between deleting just Gmail and deleting your entire Google account. Let's jump right in. Deleting your Gmail account is easier than most people think, and you can do it from any device, phone, tablet, or computer using the Gmail app or the website. First, open Gmail and look at the top right corner. Tap on your profile icon. From there, choose Manage your Google account. This will take you to your main Google settings dashboard. Next, navigate to the Data and Privacy tab. On mobile, you may need to scroll or swipe to find it. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Download or Delete Your Data. This is where the two most important options appear: delete a Google service. Choose this if you want to delete only Gmail, while keeping your Google account for things like Drive, YouTube, or Photos. Tap Delete a Google service, and you'll see a list of Google services. Look for Gmail and tap the bin icon next to it. Google may ask you for a non-Gmail email address so you can keep logging into other services. Confirm the steps and your Gmail inbox will be permanently removed. Delete your Google account. This option deletes everything: Gmail, Drive, Photos, Contacts, Calendar, Docs, YouTube purchases, and more. Only pick this if you truly want your entire digital identity with Google gone. Before you finalize anything, Google strongly recommends, and so do I, that you download your data. This lets you save your emails, photos, files, and any other important information before wiping your account. Once you're ready, you'll see two confirmation boxes you need to check. These ensure you understand what will be lost. After checking both, tap Delete Account. And that's it. Your Gmail or Google account will be completely removed, and that's a full guide on deleting your Gmail account safely and correctly. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick, easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.